My name is Pasi Häyrynen. I'm a mill manager here at Saica PM11, which is located here at Partington, the UK. We are a Spanish-owned company. The company was started in 1943 in Spain.
The mill was built in 2011, commissioned in 2012. They went with AGVs almost from the onset. The AGV system then used was bespokely designed for the site and a one-off. There were 11 AGVs in total. Why we went with AGVs is from an efficiency point of view and space, because we had space constraints. We opted for Rocla AGVs because it struck a very good balance for us between the system functionality that it offers as well as the commercial viability. The system functionality is a great evolutionary change to our previous system.
There are three main functions for the AGVs at PM11. The first one is collecting stock from the production conveyor. Secondly, the stock is then transported to the storage locations in the rails warehouse. And finally, the stock is presented in the staging lanes ready for customer orders. The maximum operational load that the AGVs can carry is 4.5 tonnes. However, in terms of the stock we have at PM11, the actual maximum that they will carry is 4.4 tonnes. So the mast height of the AGVs is 8.5 metres, but the maximum stacking height is 10 metres within the warehouse. Within this process, rails are stacked on top of each other.
One of the interesting points and niches about this project was that it actually happened in and through COVID-19. A project of this size, when it comes to automation, you would need the technical understanding and you'd need to have your supplier on site testing and showing you their product. This couldn't happen. Fortunately, they're under the Mitsubishi umbrella, which gives them a lot of street accreditation, which is great. We were able to have a good reference from them, which helped us get the confidence level that we needed to proceed with the project and with Rocla.
We opted for the full service package. This includes routine maintenance, which is carried out every 1,000 hours on the AGVs by Logisnext Services UK. Typically, they attend site within 24 hours of a call being logged. On the whole, the communications with the services team is positive. We have monthly meetings with them where we discuss an action plan, which we update within the meeting and challenge the owners of each action to provide an update. And we have a good rapport with the engineers who attend site from the services department in the UK.
These AGVs capacity is much higher than our previous AGVs. And probably the biggest improvement what we have seen has been that we haven't had any paper machine or finishing and downtime when we have had these new AGVs.
We purchased a system with a technical capability, which was an improvement and an evolution from our previous system that we've had. The final result exceeded even our contractual expectations. Looking back at the whole COVID-19 journey, and then shortly after when we were allowed to proceed with the project and having Rocla on site with us implementing, the final result was something that we believe we did not expect. Would we do it again? Indeed.